Assalamualaikum. My name is Suleka Semila binti Zahari and my matric number is S71699. Today I will walk you through the audit process for property, plant and equipment of PPA using our audit software. Okay, first we need to import the fixed asset listing into the audit software. This listing contains all the assets owned by the company, such as land, motor vehicles, furniture and equipment. Make sure the asset listing includes important details like description of the asset, date of purchase, opening cost, additions during the year, depreciation rate, opening accumulated depreciation and depreciation charge during the year. Okay, next, once import, review the asset categories carefully. It is essential to classify assets correctly under categories like land, motor vehicles, furniture or computer equipment. For example, land should be categorized as land and may have a different financial mode such as term loan. Motor vehicles might be under hire purchase. Other assets like furniture and equipment should be classified accordingly. After categorization, compare the main fixed assets schedule with the sub-schedules. Look for any discrepancies in asset values or accumulated depreciation. If you find difference, it usually means some assets are misclassified or missing accumulated depreciation entries. Next, we move to identify assets with classification errors or missing depreciation. For example, land record under the wrong category, motor vehicles missing accumulated depreciation, computer equipment misclassified. Correct this by grouping the affected assets and assigning them to the correct categories. Update the financial mode and depreciation details as needed. After making corrections, we check the schedules to ensure all discrepancies are resolved. Confirm that all assets are correctly classified. Accumulated depreciation is properly recorded. The main and sub schedules match perfectly. I think that's all from me. Thank you.